Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Nikita from BISP Solution. In this session, we are going to see how we can create the salary basis under the compensation in human capital management. So what is the salary basis? Salary basis identify the currency and period of the quoted base pay and the factor used to annualize base pay. It optionally identify component used to itemize salary adjustment as well as the grade rate and the differential profile used to validate salary. So let's just move on to the application and see how we can create the salary basis. So here you can log in as a HR specialist and implementation user. Then you have to go to the My Client group and scroll down, click on the show more option under the quick action and then find the compensation. Here you can see the compensation. Under the compensation, we are going to see the salary basis. Just click on this. And then if you are going to create new salary basis, so you have to just click on this. And if you are going to edit the existing one, you have to select any existing from here. And there is a no mandatory option, so you don't have to fill any information. You just click on the search. So all the salary basis automatically populated here. Let's just create new one. Click on the create option. And I'm going to create the US one annual salary. The code is automatically generated. Then you have to select the legislative data group for your salary basis. So when you hire any employee in this legislative data group, the salary basis is populated according to the LDG. So here under the salary basis type, you can see there are the four types of the salary basis here. So first is the salary amount is determined by user. So with this type, HR specialist or manager enter salary amount, adjustment amount or adjustment percentage when salary change. You can use this type to determine salary amount using grade step progression also. The next we have the salary amount is determined by incremental component. So with this type, HR specialist or manager itemize the salary adjustment using incremental component selected on the basis or that they selected when changing salary. So only the first salary record itemize the entire salary amount. All subsequent salary record itemize only the adjustment amount using percentage or amount. The next we have the salary amount is determined by the simple component. So with this type, HR specialist or manager itemize salary changes using simple component. So each salary record maintain the individual simple component amount or percentage to add to or subtract from the overall salary simple component, and the individual simple component amount can also be entirely independent from the overall salary. And then last we have the salary determined by the rate. So if we select this, so here you can see we have to add the rate here. If I just click on the add option, so here we have to add the rate. So that's how these works. So I'm just going to select this salary amount is determined by the user. Then here you can see the frequency. I'm going to select the annually. And so annualization factor is automatically populated here according to the frequency. If I just select the monthly, so here you can see it change. So we are creating the annual salary. That's why I select the frequency annually here. Then there is a decimal place to display and salary amount rounding rule. It's used in the salary calculation when converting frequency and annualized value rounding rule and salary range violation behavior if you want to give warning, error and allow. And then here Bottom of the page, you can see here the element mapping. So here I'm going to add the element. I'm just going to select this one. Here, the reporting name, the classification, recurring entry, employment level, all the information you filled in the element creation page, you can see here. Then in the input value, I'm going to select the amount. And then if I want to add the grade rate here, I can add the grade rate. If I want, for example, if I add the US annual salary, so you can see all the grade is now available here. So if you associate this salary basis to any employee, these grade is available to use within that employee record. Now I'm going to click on the save and close option. And let's search. Here you can say, here you can see that the annual salary we just created. So this is how we can create the annual salary. And when we hire an employee, we add this salary basis with the employee. So I hope this process is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching the video.